Boom shakalaka, what is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. And today's episode, we have an episode about Bitcoin SV being a total fucking scam. Who knew? And also, Apple embracing Bitcoin. Also, SEC saying that Kin had an illegal ICO and some other news, including Samsung doing some cool stuff with Bitcoin. But we'll get into all of that and the rest in a little bit. And if you think that's interesting, well then hang on to your seat. Before we get started, guys, just shout out to all of you mashing on the like button, hitting the subscribe, or apparently the unsubscribe button yesterday. Whatever it is, you're all welcome here. Now, in the markets, market cap $247 billion, down from yesterday. Bitcoin down was 55.7%, right around yesterday. Bitcoin at $7,775, Ethereum at $243, and XRP at 39 cents. As you can see, most of the top 10 are losses, with the exception of Bitcoin SV growing a little bit. Manipulation? Maybe. But anyways, the big gainers today: Hedge Trade, Monocoin, and GX Chain. The big losers: Crypto.com Chain, Ravencoin, and Ethereum Classic. Now, taking a look at the charts, we kind of called it before the weekend that the price would come down. And yesterday we talked about where it might come down to. It seems like we have found a little bit of support on the 61.8 fib level. Also, I was taking a look yesterday. I like using this little VPVR volume thing on TradingView because it shows you where there is potentially a lot of volume, where a lot of money traded hands, where there could be support. So yesterday I was looking for, as you can see here, where this might line up with what type of trend line. And this is a 36-day moving average. You can see we kind of bounced off of it and then went back up. Now, if you take a look down here next to my head, the MACD is still pretty far in the hold stablecoins. So that's what I'm doing because, I do that. I still have some Bitcoin. I dollar cost average a little bit. I MACD trade. And then I do some other fun stuff. Whatever it is. But, not financial advice. You do with your money what you see fit. Now, will we go back up from here? Potentially. But I would wait for the MACD to close before going back into Bitcoin. That's just me. That's just me. So the big news today, Vitalik, he says Bitcoin SV, oh yeah, that's obviously a complete scam. I'll show you the video.
Yeah, obviously BSV is a complete scam.
Now, funnily enough, this comes less than a day after this dude Mark Van Oorschot emails me. You're an absolute fuckhead with no ideas of your own. Craig Wright is Satoshi, and you're going to find out that BSV is the real Bitcoin. I don't like you. You're unintelligent, and you're your slug on other real developers' ideas. That's right, Mark. I am a slug. I don't really contribute anything of my own except for these YouTube videos. That's it. You got me. So, anyways, why does Vitalik call Bitcoin SV obviously a scam when so many people are so passionate about it? I'm going to guess that Mark has a large investment in Bitcoin SV. Just to guess. But, anyways, he doesn't exactly say why it's a complete scam, but if we look back previously into some things he said, he says, yeah, no, I have my disagreements with the Bitcoin roadmap, proof of work, etc., but they're trying to do something that's genuinely cool tech. BSV is a pure dumpster fire. Now, that was back in December 25th of 2018, so a little while back. He said, Bitcoin's cool, Bitcoin SV, pure dumpster fire. He goes on to say, December 6th of 2018, so that was before then, 128 megabyte blocks are an insanely stupid idea. Every technical proposal Craig Wright has put forward is so stupid it makes the IOTA team look like it's run by Dave Bona. I tried to figure out what the hell that means. If you could help me out, write it down in the description. Dave Bona is a cryptography teacher at Stanford. I don't exactly get it. You can't talk about CSV because who else does BSV have? And no idea what their vision or goal even is. So, yeah, obviously. Now, somebody responded, BSV is a threat to ETH, and he knows it. That's why he's saying that. Yeah, maybe. Everything's a threat to ETH. Who the hell cares? Vitalik also mentions that stuff going on with Binance is a bit shady, with the delisting, yada, 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 centralization, yada, 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 and whatever else. So, but obviously, BSV is a complete scam. We all knew that. But hey, it's news today and Vitalik said it. So that makes it even more fun news. Now, Apple is to unveil a CryptoKit, a cryptographic developer package at their upcoming conference. So they revealed the event program for the conference today for the Worldwide Developers Conference, and they have an event titled Cryptography and Your Apps, a new tool dubbed CryptoKit. So this is CryptoKit is a new Swift framework that makes it easier and safer than ever to perform cryptographic operations, whether you simply need to compute a hash or implementing a more advanced authentication protocol. Maybe, are they going to add a crypto wallet to Apple phones? Maybe, but not guaranteed. However, they did also add the Bitcoin symbol to its icon set. Now, this symbol right here is actually the Thai bot symbol, not the Bitcoin symbol, because you need 2 lines for it to be the Bitcoin symbol. That's the Thai bot symbol. But I guess they didn't have the Bitcoin symbol on their computer, I guess. I don't know. Well, anyways, Apple embraces Bitcoin. It's been slow to respond, but now you can see they have their Bitcoin signs. Yay, finally, Apple, you can write with Bitcoin. So the SEC is now charging Kik, the interactive messenger, with conducting a $100 million unregistered ICO. So you guys remember that. It was one of the biggest ICOs out there. And apparently, this is their complaint. Kik had lost money for years on its sole product, a messaging application. I don't know how they lose money on a messaging application. I guess nobody bought the premium stuff on there. But the company's management predicted they would run out of money in 2017, so they decided to sell 1 trillion digital tokens. You remember how many tokens there were? Yeah, it sold its Kin tokens to the public, and it raised more than $55 million from U.S. investors. So the SEC, coming as the white knight for U.S. investors who obviously don't know their head from a hole in their back end because, you know, whatever happened to buyer beware? That's all I have to say. Like, don't you realize that if you put your money somewhere, you should be responsible for it? Why do we need the SEC to come in and do this? I'm sure you'll comment down in the description why. But, I mean, seriously, obviously there's a bunch of scams, but people should know this shit. I mean, or you learn. That's how you learn lessons. You pay money to learn lessons. A lot of people pay an exorbitant amount of money to go to university to learn lessons, and then at the end of that, they learn the lesson they shouldn't have spent the money to go to university. Well, people who invested in this learn a lesson. Now, Samsung is betting on Bitcoin mining. That's right. They're designing and manufacturing chips for Bitcoin mining. So at the MicroBT M20 conference, Charles Song, the GM for Samsung, revealed the company had been designing and manufacturing 3, I'm going to guess that's nanometer, but who knows, 3nm and 5nm chips for Bitcoin mining. Apparently, Samsung has been fabricating these chips since Q1 of 2018, so over a year already. And they're partnered with MicroBT, which is the 3rd largest designer of Bitcoin ASICs behind Bitmain and Canaan. That's pretty crazy. So, good news for Samsung. Potentially, they'll have some miners out in the near future showing that Samsung, unlike Apple, really does like Bitcoin. So that's it for the episode today. I just wanted to reiterate that BSV is a complete, obviously is a complete scam. Obviously. And that's it for today. Guys, if you want to get into trading, you can check out Signal Profits. You can get 2 weeks for $7. Link down in the description. And what else? Oh yeah, you could get gains like 18% on a regular. Also, check out the Monarch wallet. It's badass. Hold your crypto there securely and get insane returns. You get interest. You get interest on the cryptos you hold there. And because a lot of people didn't believe me, I wanted to show you. They're partnered with Celsius Network. So you hold your crypto in the secure Monarch wallet, and then check out these returns you're getting. You get 4% on Bitcoin. You get 3% on ETH. But that's not all. If you accidentally bought one of these shitty Bitcoin forks, you could get 8% on Bitcoin Gold. Or if you're holding a stable coin, like somebody who watches the MACD, if you're holding a stable coin right now, guess what? You get 8.1% on True to USD, or 8.1% on Paxos, or 8.1% on USD Coin, or 8.1% on Gemini Dollar, or even 8.1% on Day. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Love y'all. Peace.